Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we say, as usual, just look at your LCD and you will get where we're going with this video. So you can see right here, Queen Ifrica, yeah man, Queen Ifrica. She this Vybz Kartel'S wife, wicked for Shorty. And as you know, Shorty F-Pan Vybz in a Vybz Kartel house. And some people say Shorty ugly like sin. People at Waterford, Church Road said that on Cayman's Drive. Them say she ugly like sin. Them say Shorty say them say based on this white woman, them say she's more educated and she have more finesse and all kind of thing. Them say Shorty used to walk around in a saucer bag here and serve drinks, alcohol and them thing in a Mikey Pelpa place. That are the lynch mob people them. And them just used to just enter them want them soldier go down and just work Shorty. So Shorty was given to Vybz Kartel by Mikey Pelpa. And others that after them say boy men rinse her out. So people say for Queen Ifrica say that because she Queen Ifrica, she them say she tried to mash up Tony Rebel house, then now them run her out. So now she try to defend Shorty because she a carousing. Hey, that's how them saying. And them say Queen Ifrica carousing and corabunkus. Yeah. But hey, to each his own. So we want to tell you now, so when it comes to moral and ethics, some people lack that, Yeah. Some people lack them things when they talk about morals and ethics. And whether or not you want to believe it, some people them very dangerous and some people don't really have no sense of morality. And you see once them like you, them just ride it there, just so it go. And your actions, it have no impact on them. Them don't wrong to them when you once them like you. Once you're wrong, you're right. And once you're right, you'll be right. So you're never wrong. And that's why people like people like those are very dangerous. So some people are asked, is Queen Ifrica losing her mind? Well, we don't know because we're not a psychologist, we're not a psychiatrist or anything, and we're not trained in such discipline, you understand? Well, as a layman, sometimes you can say, so that person I behave like them don't really have it together, but apart from that, we don't have no training in that. We just use with human instinct and we use with sense, you understand? So Queen Ifrica opposition to Vybz Kartel white girlfriend from England, likely still from cultural, racial and moral concerns. I say me, look here, I have no problem who a man want to talk to a woman, period. Because whether or not you want to believe it, I see me, as me say, I'm not going to pretend on them thing there. I have been with, pretty much all kind of people, all kind of race, you understand what I'm saying? So, Chinese, white, this, that, and all kind of thing, black and... But, hey, I can't tell you this, whether or not you want to believe it. I'm here, Queen Ifrica, I say black people, dishonest. I can't tell you, say, liar, this woman, me talk to a black woman. When I say black, I talk black. Yeah, African. Them are not Indian or no white genes in them. Them, I liar this thing me ever talked in my life. Me I tell you. What you mean? Me I tell you that. Still love them, see me, because my man are black, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I tell you, I lie this thing, them man. I tell you, man, watch you, wicked. Yeah, so our opposition to the white woman, that a fair business that, but I have no problem with that. I don't care who make him happy. You understand? So Queen Ifrica has been vocal about preserving Jamaica culture, African heritage, and ethical values. So here are a few reasons that might explain her stance. Cultural preservation. Queen Ifrica is known for her strong advocacy for Jamaican culture and African heritage. She might view Vybz Kartel's relationship with a white woman as a departure from these cultural roots, fearing that it could dilute the influence of Jamaican traditions and values in the younger generation, especially given Vybz Kartel's significant influence as a public figure. And I can't tell you this. Jamaican are no culture no more, so I don't know what she's thinking or any African heritage. We're Africans, but we're not on the roots. Jamaican are no culture anymore, so that is just a myth. It's like a man can't swim and I say, boy, I'm a swimmer. That are all in my head. We're not on the culture of Jamaica anymore. All of that areas. We have two known advocates for Rear Admiral behavior in Jamaica. And them are dancehall queen and king. So I saw them do it, You understand? Yeah. And no, if you wanna involve in the Rear Admiral thing in Jamaica, nobody now big you up on them thing. So that's you have to do. So historical and racial context. Jamaica's history is deeply intertwined with the legacy of slavery and colonialism, which were imposed by European powers. Some Jamaicans, including Queen Ifrica, may feel uneasy about relationship between black Jamaicans and white Europeans because of this historical context. Our opposition could be a reaction to the long-standing racial tension that linger in post-colonial era. And we can't tell you, say, Queen Ifrica one of the biggest hypocrites when it comes on to that. Because Queen Ifrica at one point in time, she not bleach. Just like how Bob Marley daughter, ZELLE, a bleach. So them not like them black self. Me love my black self. You'll never see me a bleach and them thing there. Period. Yeah, some people say, you're not black, you're a copper color, you're this, you know that. Me still see myself as black. You have different shades of black, you understand? So you want to call me copper, this, that, your business, or red, or you understand? Me still love myself. And I just saw it go. So, she, with her moral concern, Queen Ifrica has often spoken out about what she sees as a decline in moral standards in Jamaica, which is true. She may perceive Kartel's relationship with a white woman from England as a further sign of this decline, especially if she believes that such relationships are emblematic of a broader shift from the traditional values. Hey, look here, I'll show you how Queen Ifrica, all them confusing. Vybz Kartel are one of the DJ them in Jamaica who destroy the moral fabric of Jamaica. Vybz Kartel promote all kind of decadence. And now the youth them will come after him. Now him come out of prison. Well, the one them can't travel, them no mind, but locally, them know say them stand a chance now. Because him have the sheep them in him and I'm a shepherd. Most of them don't even know that everything that he has been doing is to destroy black people. In music, everything. Low self-esteem, him and him femme woman and all femmes on them. Them don't even know say having tattoo, all of them tattoo you all over your skin. Eventually, it's going to come and bite you right in the rear. Where I tell you that. Personal and positive and political motives. Queen Ifrica might also have personal or political reasons for opposing this relationship. She has previously been critical of Vybz Kartel's influence on Jamaican youth, particularly concerning his controversial lyrics and lifestyle. Her stance against his girlfriend could be a part of a broader critique of Kartel himself and what he represents. So, she subtly criticized Vybz Kartel. And if you notice since him come out, I just a few people him big up on them thing that who were on the outside. And some of them who are big him up, him don't even respond, him don't even acknowledge them. Yeah. We say when a brother named Movada, Vybz Kartel said, man, I shoot up all them vehicle. The boy, I tell you, them are some sick people. It's when your mind is warped and you can't think. That's how you behave like an organic robot. Queen Ifrica's opposition to Vybz Kartel's relationship likely reflects her concern about cultural preservation. Jamaica is not a culture anymore, you know. You understand? Historical racial tensions, moral values, and our broader critique of Kartel's influence on Jamaican society. One thing that Kartel has good for is to destroy the Jamaican society. We can't tell you that. Destroy the little pitney them. These children used to be on buses, have sex school pitney, so them have to take them because of Ifrica song. But she don't say nothing about it. That me tell her say, and now she a fight to be a part of the maroons them. I go up there and I create problem. Just like she a call out the other him the mad still doing a L.A. Lewis, say my fake emperor. L.A. Lewis even the next guy and them thing there. Him understand and know say all the people them gullible and them love lickings and they understand and lies. And him very successful. We not gonna beat no fire upon him, a theme thing then. We know say him will do anything just say to maintain him status in the black sphere. Some people might feel say L.A. Lewis now. L.A. Lewis have money. L.A. Lewis are allegedly one big court dealer asked Beanie Man. We are telling that first one I hear that. Beanie Man and L.A. Lewis, them for them fight where them in a fight and them thing, they over coke money. Coke where you sell people. We are telling that. I asked the two of them. Enough people got shocked. Because all the time L.A. Lewis a drive with coke, police stop him and not even know. Because them see him as a madman. Them say L.A. Lewis as a drug dealer. L.A. Lewis have money. L.A. Lewis have all children in England. L.A. Lewis was with a woman, a lawyer, and living in St. James. We are telling that. No phone to know that. I can't tell you some things about L.A. Lewis. I ask him if you think a lie, we are tell. L.A. Lewis have 2 or 3 children. I don't remember exactly number. That living in England right now. Yes, their mother a lawyer. L.A. Lewis and the ordinary boy. Just that she left him, I saw him head did chip. Check it out. I ask him if you think a lie, we are tell. But enough people don't know that. Because L.A. Lewis not talk. So you think say him a madman and anything, but him not really all there. So people, the question is Queen Ifrica losing her mind? Or has she already crossed that line? Some people want to say that we don't in a rabbit hole and can't come up back. Because there's some things where she say. Like she said Queen Ifrica said she never come to Jamaica as slave. Me never come to Jamaica as slave. It's my ancestors. Me I tell you so. And if you're thinking of them things, you're like, how she say she never come to Jamaica as slave? But slavery, you know, was over on paper before Queen Ifrica born. So if you can discern things and then you say, I want to say attack our ancestors and them things there. We don't know. Because remember say, only white people in Jamaica before only white people were free. Everyone else was slave, even the mulattoes. So we are telling that. So we don't know where she get her argument them from. The maroons them, and I said them free, you know, the maroons them were a part of the British Empire because they used to capture our ancestors and hand them over to the maroon, and over them back to the slave owners. So they were never our friends. And as she fight for them to be around them and them not want her around them because them say she mad. So while some of her points might resonate, much of what she's saying seems erratic and disconnected from reality. We have shared many Queen Ifrica videos on this platform. Reason being because she said something that makes sense. And I say everything, and even we and them thing, the people are going to say, you know, so boy, him love go off tangent and all of them things. I just saw it because in time people attack things flow. So one of the most alarming aspect of our recent rant is his obsession with white women in Jamaican ghettos. I didn't know that you have white women in Jamaican ghettos now, because normally in Jamaica the white women them live uptown and you will find a few in a Portmore. You understand? And the Chinese them very rare finding people that will live in the depressed or deplorable communities. You understand? Instead of addressing these pressing concerns, she's fixating on something many find irrelevant and out of touch. Her focus on issue is puzzling, especially considering the diverse challenges that Jamaican communities face. So when she go attack Vybz Kartel, man, that not really make no sense. Of who him love, him know him go through, you hear him do all kind of song, him say him do an album And most of you don't even know Shorty almost killed Vybz Kartel, stab him and almost kill him. We tell you that at a later time. But it doesn't stop there. Queen Ifrica also targeted Vybz Kartel new fiancé, seemingly determined to tear down their relationship. Her disapproval stemmed from Kartel's fiancé not being Jamaican, and she insists that Kartel return to his ex, Shorty. However, what Queen Ifrica conveniently ignored is Shorty's troubled history. Remember, Shorty reportedly cheated on Kartel with a man known as Chalice, who is involved in drug dealing in America. So you want the man to go and go back to the woman when him knows she have a right out man right now, even Chalice. And since Kartel come out of prison, she come back from America because she was in America with Chalice, and Chalice a drug dealer, him there in Miami. Chalice have a brother when named Reds, Reds or something like that. Him get deported and him come back and him down in Miami with him brother. I ask Shorty see him too. So you want the man to go back to a woman who cheat on him. You have sense or what? You sound like a mad man. The man have him dignity and them thing there. If he want to go back to a theme thing that, remember I said everything about Shorty falls in, Shorty ugly like sin. What you mean? Shorty, hey look here. I tell you nothing, you know. Hey, Shorty have all Shorty grandmother. Hey, me I tell you say, hey, whether or not you want to believe it in the man. Shorty grandmother was an ugly woman in a man. Yeah. Toots. Yeah, man, Shorty grandmother, Toots. Ugly like sin. I tell you. A people that say that them own family and them thing there anyway. Bonfire. Where I tell the people, some 2 persons in a Shorty family bonfire upon her because I was she do cartel in that prison. And then others I say, oh, when him think say what, she for wife up the thing, you know, say it forget F. I want him to him. And that she tell all the man on the phone, you know, because she talk to him. But it's like him still Kartel kind of still have a little weakness to Shorty, you know, because she have no for him secret in her, because as she, most of the people them in a Gregor Park and Waterford, them say she turned Kartel in a monster. It wasn't like that. She are the one behind it. Because all even killing them when I go on a Gregor Park, and she say a Kartel in that prison. A Chalice is the man behind it. But them do it and then them call Kartel name. That is what the people them say. So them say she are the real devil. So them say as long as Kartel stay away from Shorty, him will fine. He won't get back in no more trouble. Because she are the one, the toxic one. Yeah, so I just saw it go. So if what Queen Ifrica ignore the facts that the woman cheated upon the man. Queen Ifrica's insistence on this issue raises questions about her motives. Why is she so invested in Kartel's personal life? Especially when the woman she is advocating for has a dubious past. What's a corrosion still? Corrosion always bad for corrosion and corrobonkers. Remember saying Queen Ifrica, you hear them talk as she mash up to one horrible life. And in a long run, hey, anytime you force yourself in something and you come real in it, I pop down. And I see him, wife pitting them run her out now, because them get big. So now she out there and them say she did her vulnerable and she have bonfire upon him. You understand? I just saw it go. What goes around comes around. If things don't happen naturally, if you force yourself in a situation, you'll get forced out. You understand? If she just be a side chick and them thing there, maybe she already would have still still together. I just saw it go. Because he might get older and him children, them say Queen Ifrica as a threat to dear to what the father have worked all these years for and them now in it. So our priority seems skewed, and it's hard to understand why she's taking such a strong stance on something that ultimately doesn't concern her. So what's going on? Is Queen Ifrica genuinely concerned for Kartel and the Jamaican people, or is this a sign of something more profound? Her erratic behavior and unfounded accusations suggest that she may be struggling with her issues, which are manifesting in these public outbursts. So I call for clarity and focus. Jamaicans, it's time to question what's going on here. We should focus on real issues facing our communities, not get distracted by the rants of someone who appears to be losing touch with reality. Queen Ifrica's recent behavior raises serious concern about her state of mind and her ability to contribute meaningfully to the conversation that matters. And the reason why we say that, because once you go talk, say Mark Golding, say white people come on Jamaica as slave, we know say no, something wrong right there. You can't in your right frame of mind. So we know say you're gone over the rails. We're not a psychiatrist or no psychologist, but we can't think. So let's not be swayed by baseless accusations and misguided rants. Instead, let's focus on building a stronger, more united Jamaica. We need leaders who can address our real issues, not those who distracts us with personal vendettas and irrelevant issues. Stay focused, stay informed, work together to create a better future for all Jamaicans. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we believe in the importance of clear, rational discussion, especially regarding our nation's issues. We always tell you the truth. We don't care which guy begs or which guys want please. One thing you always gonna hear the truth. So while Queen Ifrica has made some valid points in her recent statement, and you hear it in the video, much of what she's saying raises serious concern about her state of mind and understanding of our history. As she makes some utterance that don't make no sense, and it's not valid. So one of our most bewildering claims is that white people came to Jamaica as slaves, as enslaved people. Let's be clear. This is not just a misunderstanding. It is outright foolishness and lies. So statements are misleading and do a disservice to the Jamaican people by distorting our history. While we acknowledge that Queen Ifrica may have some valid argument, this claim is simply baseless and indicative of a broader issue. So addressing the facts, Vybz Kartel Maroon heritage. Yeah, Queen Ifrica has also raised concern about Vybz Kartel asserting he's a Maroon by blood. Yes, Queen Ifrica, she questioned him. Yes, Vybz Kartel is a Maroon by blood because through his mother, Vybz Kartel have an uncle that named Colonel Petty. So this is accurate, as Vybz Kartel mother was born in a compound town. The reason why she and Aina, I don't remember the other one name offhand right now. Aina Petty and the other one, Derek Curry, that's a Chief Curry father, try to rape them. Guy must have known rapist up there, me I tell it. Yeah, Chief Curry father, Richard Curry father was a known rapist. So him try to rape Vybz Kartel father, not him for him mother. Actually, I know some Kartel a rear admiral. I don't know if I'm father him get the rear admiral gene son. Yeah, so Colonel Petty. Yeah, Colonel Petty is Vybz Kartel, is his granduncle. So Vybz Kartel have Maroon gene. So remember, Jamaicans, most Jamaicans, Maroons are traitors. They are our enemies, even to this day. You think your enemy are gonna love you? And look, our people suck up to the enemies them. Vybz Kartel, Maroon, Buju Banton, Maroon. And I two most destructive people them. We don't even know if the Bigfoot, the cowfoot woman are Maroon. Because so she black like dark like midnight. And when we say black like midnight, I don't mean to say maroon black. But we're not talking about the colour or skin. Because some people are getting it wrong. We're talking about her heart and her mind. And we're talking about the woman named Spice. The one that got BT and skin out. Jamaicans were known, our women were known as people, women who have ethics, decency, morality and decency. She got to go skin out her big old self. Disgracefully. That never happened before. Patra, Lady G. As much as Lady Sarah was a queen of dancer, she never do that. Now we see one of them, yeah, hear Spice talk about her when he in Jada Kingdom. When she go on stage, she no wear panty. Then she no wear panty go on stage. And I'm also women got fear thing. And she just go up there and shake up her big black ass. No drawers, a sour reach, shame non-existent. While the black people them a do all of them things, you know, see white woman them out there do it. So black people are trying to say, oh, them can be the nastiest and the worst of the worst. So these are facts to help us understand the cultural and historical context of Kartel's background. However, Queen Ifrica's argument often veer off course, mixing truth with conjecture to undermine our credibility. So that's why I say, yeah, talk truth, you just talk it and everything. And I go off, let's come up and make up things. But white people did come to Jamaica as slaves. People look at you as cooks. No matter how which big school you go, that are just lies. Period. Plain and simple. I'm sure no say, boy, I'm sure, hey, I just madness that. Queen Ifrica brought a complaint about Jamaica's decline in cultural and morality resonate with some of us, not many of us, some, because most of the people them gobble it up. We don't have no culture anymore. Our boys them wear pants like the American them with our prison we say them ready. You can't come on. We don't have no culture anymore. Our men, them wear women jeans. Women jeans. Men jeans, I sell again in Jamaica. I pay women jeans. Everybody a woman. And them say something wrong with that. Oh, yeah, man and yeah, wear woman jeans. And you feel say that cool? Unless you feel say you have vagina too. Because the jeans only make for people with vagina. I tell you that. Women clothes are made for women who have vagina. You know, make for man who have long seed. So unless you feel, and that's why enough of a real admiral. Them stop sell men jeans at Jamaica because man them a buy the woman jeans them. And women are complain. Same thing with the tongue them. Woman them go I store them uptown and can man them buy them. So we have more timon at Jamaica than anything else. And we see them. So she argued that our society is heading down a dangerous path. In this regard, she isn't entirely wrong. There are real concerns about the erosion of values and direction in which our nation is headed. However, these concerns must be grounded in reality, not clouded by misinformation and erratic statement to be effective. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we urge our fellow Jamaicans and those in the diaspora and our viewers and subscribers and Patreon members to approach these discussions critically. It's essential to separate fact from fiction and challenge claims that do not stand up to scrutiny. While we respect Queen Ifrica's passion and desire to see a better Jamaica, we cannot endorse statements not rooted in truth. No, we not do that. So let's focus on issues that genuinely affect our communities and work together to address them meaningfully. Like, don't get national award of known murderer, not because they're not convicted, or people who contribute to violence in Jamaica. You're not going to hear nobody address it because you have to understand as a Beanie Man, because through Beanie Man, a Timan, Beanie Man is one of the biggest Timan in Jamaica. Big time. Them man then hide it. Going to house already in January. I will never forget. I stinkiness deed me ever smell in my life in our house. And when we're going in a deed in the day, man then stink up the place. You have to be sick for involved in a Timan business. And that's why we tell people from them time that say being a man a Timan. That's before him boss. So we know say because of what we had seen then, and we tell Bounty Killer. So I saw it, that's why Bounty Killer always use the same fish. I know that for true because I told him. And some people say, boy, I say, being him and be a Bounty Killer. Well, I mean, I don't know about that, but we'll touch that one of them there. So we need leaders and influencers who can guide us with wisdom and integrity, not those who spread confusion and falsehoods. So stay informed, stay rational, and let's build Jamaica that we can all be proud of. The troubling truth, are Jamaicans being misled? That's a question that we are asked. One undeniable fact that Queen Ifrica has pointed out is that many Jamaicans do not love to read, and that is true. And this lack of critical engagement makes it easier for them to accept and repeat whatever they are told by those they trust, even when those sources feed them lies. This is a serious issue that affects our society's ability to think independently and question the narrative that are presented to us. So when we say that now about Jamaican people, them not like think, them not like everything them repeat what people tell them, and everything when them say I was told. I tell you that, you know. So Queen Ifrica, I say, boy, the Jamaican people, they can't think. And the reason why we tell you that now, and everything them say I was told, them not reading now. It's just like even with the eventide thing. Remember I said the windows, even those of you who know where eventide was, right in between Concrete Jungle and Jonestown, right behind Admiraltown Police Station. And you want to tell me that when the man nail up the windows, them on the door, the man in my Concrete Jungle and Jonestown never know say people over there do it. And then dummies now believe say a man left all the way from Tivoli for kill people beside Admiraltown Police Station. Remember I said the police, you know, they were aligned with the Michael Manley regime. Because them, I police them used to issue gun, protect the gunmen them. Some I police them, not all of them, some of them. Like Police Barry, Big Youth and all of these people were criminals. So when them kill the people them, the reason why them kill the old people them, the 144 people at Evit. Yes, we have some exciting news. So we are launching a new video series, yes. So we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting news video series. So due to time constraints, we have broken down today's video into multiple segments to ensure you get the most out of each part. You know, we have to show respect for our elders, and they are the ones that have helped to build this channel. Yes, they are the driving force behind it. When we say elders, we attack people who are older than yours truly. So if you are eager to watch a full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe and support our Patreon. So click on the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our sites require ongoing support. We have had to limit free access due to high volume of users. Yeah, so we have close to, at one point, we have close to 2,000 free users. Yes, and so we have to, you know, yeah, free, we are talking about free. You have more free users than paid users at the Jamaica Young Police channel. Them get access to videos free. Yeah, over 2,000, and they don't see it fit to subscribe. So most of subscribe, we are talking about be a Patreon member. So we have to make sure we cut out that privilege. So some video, if you're not on Patreon, you won't see it. You understand? So some of them will break them up like this one once it passes a certain amount of time. And as you know, over here it's not an entertainment channel. So sorry for the goldfishes over here. You know, yeah, you understand. Unless you want to expound your mind, you understand. So if you want to see the videos, all you have to do is just click yes. Join. You know, we encourage you to support us on Patreon. Click the link in the description box to join our Patreon squad. Please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our site ongoing support. As we say, we limit the free access due to the high volume of users. You can have over 2,000 people just watching. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? Close to 2,600, and everybody just free. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you know, we know some people, we know some people socialistic and them thing, but man, you know, we show no sense. When you go one dance or you go one club or anyway, you have to, in everything you pay. But we don't try to like we try to milk no cow or we don't do that. We're over here, we're trying to save lives and change lives. That's what we're all about. We just want our whole country. We're not gonna be here every day. Some people say we don't have to do this because of our background and, you know, the things that we have to achieve in life. But if our life is just for hustle alone, what's the sense? You can't just live for yourself, because if you live for yourself, you're selfish. That's just how it goes. So heartfelt thank you to our Patreon members. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. So we are proud to say to our squad members, including members from around the globe, yes, some people them don't like it, and I put it in our numbers, because I say, boy, yeah, I can't believe. Well, no offense to you, somebody who subscribe to the Patreon squad and call you and say, supporter, I don't like that. Or you just say, I just say the country them up at top. But you have to understand, my friend. Yeah, you have to tell your friend them, if you want your country to go up there. And you're rightfully right to complain about the United States of America. Say, as you heard, we say that majority of the viewers and subscribers, the largest chunk is from America. But England is the leading one that's on the Patreon. So we'll say it by numbers. 1, England. 2, United States. 3, Jamaica. 4, Canada. 5, New Zealand. When I give the numbers of people who are on Patreon, because that's what you understand what I'm saying. Then 6, you have Cayman. 7, Trinidad. 8, Sweden. 9, Spain. 10, Germany. 11, Nigeria. 13, South Africa. 14, Italy. 15, Russia. 16, Mexico. 17, Barbados. 18, Turks and Caicos. I want to get it right. Wow. We thank all of you guys for subscribing to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Your contributions are vital and we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. The importance of your feedback in today's data-driven world, your feedback is invaluable. So we appreciate you watching the video, sharing it, commenting, and the likes. That's the most important thing, and liking the video as you start to watch it. Before you even watch it, because over here so it's not an entertainment channel. All we tell you is the real mama papa truth. And we know say most people them love the comfortable lives. We not do that. Because if we do that means we are a scammer. Like how ugly some, like how Rattigan, ugly some and Francis and the likes. You understand what I'm saying? Them a war over food money in Canada. Them thing them. I tell you, them that easy. Yeah. So the compass guide us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. So we have heard your thoughts about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. So we are committed to keeping our non-live videos on 40 minutes. This will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people say, so why join Patreon? Why join the Patreon squad, the Patreon community? Joining our Patreon community, our Patreon squad, isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of a dedicated group that enjoy exclusive content and special perks. We are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each videos will now conclude with a clear call to action, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. You go to Patreon, you're going to see some things that you're not going to see on YouTube because we don't put it there. You understand? So your role in our success, we take pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implemented solutions that cater to your preferences. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around our channel. It drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connections with you. I appreciate your support. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching, sharing, supporting, commenting on Patreon and YouTube, or providing valuable feedback, your contribution is deeply appreciated. Together, we will continue to grow and evolve and achieve great things. So we look forward to doing so with you by our side. So have yourself. And before we go any further, this is part 1 of a five-part series. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.